That is the fourth. That's the fourth time doing that. Hopefully the last. One more to go, but I need a break first. If I wanted Illinois winters, I'd still be living in Illinois. That's not true. This reminds me of last year. It started snowing. Last year we got 8 inches of very wet snow. Half of the cedar trees lost limbs. It was a mess. And I did lose one of my little portable carport in a shed box thing, majigger. I did lose one of those last year, not this year. Yeah, I set my alarm and got up throughout the night. It started snowing at noon yesterday, Thursday, and it didn't stop until noon today. So, and we got 2 inches of snow the first 2 hours. Yep. It was kind of fun until you got to get out and trudge through it. But yeah, so I've been knocking the snow off of those shed in the boxes, and yep, looks pretty good. No more snow in the forecast. Tomorrow, Saturday, low 40s, partially sunny, chance of rain. So yeah, and that rain on top of, if I hadn't gotten rid of the snow up there, they hadn't caved in yet, so you know, but it starts raining on it and that snow soaks up all the rain, and that'll make it so much heavier. So I'm glad I took a bunch of trees out because I am sure there are downed limbs all over the place. Arkansas the trees here are not used to heavy snowfall, so there will be a lot of weak branches and weak trees that fall over. It'll be, I'm not hiking back there, but I'm sure I got a bunch of down stuff. This snow wasn't quite as heavy as last year, although it is pretty heavy. It was pretty light. It was you know, flaky, I guess, to start, but then it did get wetter. So, and the temperature ain't all that bad. It's been right around, you know, freezing, 33-ish. Last night it only got down to like 28, so it hasn't been super cold, but just cold enough for it to snow. Perfect conditions. So all right, it'll probably be a few days before this all melts, and I got supplies, heat, as long as my power don't go out. Power flashed last night briefly. That had me worried. I've got a generator, but it hasn't been fired up in decades, so that would be a prep that I am not prepared for next time. Got to get that generator going. But I've got my backup plan is Jen and Wiley and Fort Wiley. They're not even on the grid, so they don't even need the power, and they got wood heat, and they're set up. So that's my emergency situation. Is I've got prepared neighbors who are off the grid, so they'd get me by. It'll melt by, what is today, Friday? So some of it'll melt tomorrow, especially if it rains. Sunday it's going to be I'll be able to get out of here on Monday probably. We'll see. Time will tell. That's all I got. Take it easy, everybody. Thanks for everything.